Well, hi. I just got back from metal detecting another small but a little larger fairgrounds, and I guess if it's a grassy area and they don't have fence around it, man, you can find a lot of stuff in the old fairgrounds. I was pretty lucky. Didn't find anything really old, but I found a lot of coins. So let's go on over to the video. I might just show you this what it read on the Knox. And something else I was going to tell you. And a lot of people says, oh, you shouldn't do that. You're going to miss rings. You're going to be missing nickels and stuff like that. But on the Minelab 600, I've rejected everything up to about 23. That means the flat Coke cans, the pull tabs, the nickels, the rings. It's gonna be passing all that by. I first had it on there, and boy, that thing was going off like 90 miles an hour. I mean, it was going beep, 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 and I put it on that other program, and I thought, oh, this is so much better. But most of the stuff I was finding was silver. It was a lot of fun. So let's go on over to the video. Thanks so much for watching. Well, here we are at a little park. It's a little windy, but today, I think this is like a county fair thing. And hopefully we can walk all around here. There's playgrounds over here. So I'm gonna take a look, get the Knox out of the trunk of the Taurus, and just go over here and see what I can find. And again, thanks so much for watching. There it is. A little Roosevelt dime. Well, I see it right there. I wonder how many times I hit it with a... Looks like a Roosevelt. There it is, I think. I'm gonna get in the sun here. Wow, looks like an older quarter. Not sure, I think it's 1999. Still, that's great. Another. I believe it's a modern day quarter. Okay, I just dug a hole over here. I thought I heard 2 quarters. And let's just... I think right in there is good. There it is. Wow, is that 2 of them? No, that's just some type of dirt. But here's another quarter. And it's an older quarter, I think. I think it says 1995. Well, it looks like it's in this pile of dirt. And there it is. See it right here? It's a little rosy. So it's about right in there, and I don't think it's very deep. Wow. Well, that's pretty neat. Looks like a button. Not sure, try to clean it up a little bit, but still, we'll take it home and we'll show you guys. Well, it was reading a 30, and I can't make out the date. It's really worn. It's an older quarter, so that's pretty cool. You know what's so neat is you come over here and you try to look for the grass that's sort of worn, where the line might start on these rides, and also if they have concessions, or you can see where it looks pretty worn right in here, and you can go over there, and sometimes you can find coins where the worn area is. So we're just trying to find some coins, and so far we've been pretty lucky. Not far from our last quarter. Well, it appears, oh look there. There's another quarter. It's a more modern quarter. Oh, I think I see it. There's that quarter. Okay, it's a 1980 quarter. So that's pretty good. Oh, I can feel it already. A little quarter. And it looks like a modern quarter. Ha! There's a little penny. And it's a modern penny. Here it is. It's a little penny. Ah, here it is right here. And I think I hit it. It's more of a modern day quarter, but pretty neat. There it is right there. Pretty new quarters, it looks like. Well, it's shiny. There she blows. Just right on top. And it's a modern day quarter, I think. There she is. Just pulled it right up. Here we are, my swing set. And a lot of times, if you just look right here, sometimes they can swing out and their change drops. And it's right in this area right in here. I just found this quarter here. But I'm gonna go over there by the slide and stuff to just see what might be over there. Well, my knock said it was about a 30, and I thought, well, looks like there's some type of metal down here. Let's see. My pinpointer didn't have to find it, but I don't know what that is. Looks like some type of weight. Almost looks like a battery clamp in a way. We're right next to a tree over here, and it's an old tree. It's our split down here, but anyway, on the GoPro. Ah, here it is over here. Modern quarter. Well, hi. Yesterday I went out metal detecting at this small, I thought it was a county fairgrounds. It was just in the little city there, and I thought, wow. But I started doing a little research, and it's just the city, not the county. And I tell you what, let me just go over and show you what the finds were. I looked at the quarters. One of the quarters, it was hard to see, and I got my magnifying glass with a extra magnifier here, and I thought, wow, this must be old. It was 1980. So, but I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had 20 quarters I found, which I thought was pretty good. A couple dimes, a nickel. I think that was laying basically on the pretty close to the ground, and 3 pennies. I found this. This was called I guess off of a jeans. I had to ask my wife what it said. It was Rock Revival, and I guess it goes on a pair of jeans or something similar to that. Never heard of that. I'm just an old guy with, Levi's or Wranglers. And then I don't know what this is. Probably some of you guys might know. I thought it was sort of like, something for a battery or something, like a clamp or something, but I wasn't really sure what that was. But it was pretty interesting, whatever that was. But it was just sort of laying on top of the ground. I thought it was neat, and I picked it up. But not a bad haul. Now, I think I was telling you guys that, well, I was going to put I put my Knox to where it wasn't really going to about 20, started receiving about 24. And just let me show you where I notched things out. As you can see, I've rejected just about everything up here to about right here, and I think it's about 23 or something like that. And I know some of you guys saying, you missed so much stuff by doing that, and I probably did, but I sure missed a lot of pull tabs and cans and a lot of garbage too, but that comes along with it. I'm at the age where I don't like to really bend down that much, so I just cherry picking the field, I guess you might say. But I sure thank you guys for watching. It's so much fun to go out and metal tech. Especially when it was a day like today or yesterday when I was looking at it, it was just so much fun. It just kept on, seemed like about every 5 steps there was another quarter, and I'm going, this is just amazing. It was just really a lot of fun. As always, I sure thank you for watching my videos. I try to put one on about once a week, depending on the weather. That didn't make sense. Most of the time when I metal detect, it's usually fall, winter, and spring. Here in Oklahoma, it gets awful hot in the summertime, and I just, when I was younger, it wouldn't bother me, but as I'm getting older, I just sort of stay in, wishing for colder weather so I can go metal detecting again. All right, catch you guys later. Thanks a lot for watching.